We are here nevertheless. We're here, we have got a swimming pool from his car. The bonnet looks a lot better, it's not completely finished. And what's wrong now?
I was just pushing the side scope.
Oh yeah,
back
the
in.
side scope keeps coming out, we don't know why. Please help us. Okay, so we are exploring and we've already spotted the one that we like.
Oh, wing.
Because of this wing, and it is the genuine wing, isn't it? We've seen this one at Caffeine, I feel.
Yeah.
Is this the one we saw?
Yeah.
Yeah, it is. We love this wing so much. Like, we're obsessed. We just can't afford it. So send us money, please. So our cars can look like this. Even the wheels on the lash. I really like this one. I really, really like this one. A lot. These are what I want to get on mine. With the skirts, so the side vents, and I want to get them in the carbon fibre as well. I do like a Mark 1. I do like a Mark 1. They're cool. I really like this one. You think you have a front scoop?
I know, right?
You think you've got a front scoop? You got competition, baby.
Oh, look at this one as well.
Oh my god, yeah.
And they're all mounted like slightly different as well.
Big time competition. That one's cool, no?
Yeah.
I really like this one.
I should have done the paint pens.
Yeah.
Are they in my boot?
There's one in the kit actually. Should we see?
No, that's the...
Oh, is that you?
in my boot?
Yeah, okay, let's go for it.
Or did we
might be doing tyre letters.
What?
I don't know actually, I can't remember.
I don't know if
I don't know. We'll see. We'll update you guys. No, this is sick.
It's got the pins for the clamshell as well. So unique.
No, that's so sick.
Unique.
I like this one. This is a front bumper.
Front bumper I want. Yeah. Or something similar.
Yeah. I love this front bumper. And then when I get my side indicators like that, it looks super cool.
Damn, we should have picked up the trim.
Oh, look at those wheels. The colour shifting wheels.
That's so cool.
That's sick. Okay, wait. No, because it's like green and purple.
Does it show up on camera?
Kinda. It's like green and purple though. Oh my god. This paint is so much nicer than mine. Oh, okay.
They're cool little side vent things.
They've got the carbon fibre centre.
Oh, look. Look at those.
Oh, I think I prefer those vents actually. I've never seen ones like that before.
No, I haven't.
I've never seen these before.
So they're just for letting heat out rather than the other ones which are letting air in.
I really like those. I've never seen those before.
I've never seen it. Right.
Right. Facebook Marketplace.
Getting a picture.
There's a lot of T-tops.
The tin tops and the
tin top. There's one
tin top like that is rare, and then our moon roofs are
quite
quite
tin
rare.
top over there. I think that's Jade's. It's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. Oh, those centre caps are nice. We see this one a lot. It reminds me of my car, black and white, so I'm biased. I really like it. It will get painted, guys. I do like how square the backs of them are. I really like.
They're very stylistic.
Yeah.
If I could have one of these,
it reminds me of the Prelude, and I think that's why I like the Prelude.
The problem with these though is that some of them have hit the 40-year mark, so America can now import, which means the value of them has gone up significantly. So you can only get rotten ones now.
I know, they're so cute though.
I don't know if I'd ever get the different badge.
I would. Yeah, I don't think I would ever get the different badge. We see a lot of them though, don't we? There's a lot of people with a different badge.
See, they are cute.
They just don't hit the same as a Mark 2.
No. They're just not quite.
Like, I'm not going to hate on them because I like them, but they don't hit the same. They don't hit the same.
Well, I think we'll just buy it.
This one is clean though. Like, the paint on this is really good. We are raised like that.
Yeah, we had to raise it.
We had to raise the car because otherwise the tyres wouldn't fit, so it's a whole situation which Chris will probably explain to you guys in a second. Oh my god, they've got sparkly lights. I spot sparkly lights. The cleanest black paint. I'm actually kind of glad I didn't bring mine now because my paint will look so bad now.
This is what your car's supposed to look like.
Hey, let's not be like that. Yeah, this is Chris's inspo.
I think a darker bronze for me, but I want the bronze so bad.
I know.
It just looks so clean.
No, it will look nice. Yeah. It looks nice. Is that a matte paint bonnet? What's that? Oh my god, wait, no. And is that a swimming pool in the front? Is that a swimming pool in the front, Casey? Is that water in there? This pulled up and I don't know what it is. I'm not sure what this is. Hot Wheels? That's kind of sick. Sora. Oh.
There you go.
Oh, okay. Okay.
I love them Hot Wheels though.
No. Okay. I'm kind of vibing with this. No? OG Toyota wind deflectors.
There are not many of these on the road.
There are not. Lexus wheels.
But it's Lexus badge.
Oh yeah.
So I think someone decided, unless it's a fake.
I don't know. I'm really confused. Yeah, but I think it's Toyota. It's Toyota engine, no?
I don't know.
I think it is. Yeah, it's Toyota engine. I'm vibing with this.
Right.
Yeah, I'm not a fan of these wheels, whoever's car this is. I love your car. The wheels are not it.
Manual transmission.
Oh my god, okay. Okay, what is that like stereo system you've got in there?
That's so cool.
What is that?
It's an old Panasonic. Is
That's
it?
sick.
Oh, it's a CD.
That's sick.
That is really cool.
I like the ones where it's like a radio and then it flips out and then the screen comes up like that.
And Jude's got one of those in here.
Yeah, I know. I don't know if he's going to be here today. No, this is sick. What are those centre caps? I've never seen those before.
We're gonna judge the. Yeah, I've seen them.
I've never seen them.
Oh, these have got the gauges at the top.
Okay. Oh, nice.
But radio judge, Panasonic, old school CD.
Okay,
We like.
because we are basically radio connoisseurs now, guys.
We love it.
Because we've had our radios in and out a lot. We've had our speakers in and out a lot. So we know what's up. And it's got the good wing. It's got the Rev 5 wing.
Yeah,
it's a good wing.
Coming in and out. We're not done. And your favourite single track?
Yeah, I love a single exit.
What brand is
That
it?
is massive.
That is huge.
That is huge. But a single exit hits different. The only thing is I feel like I would have to fold that bit up, that
like
black
I've
bit,
got the vent.
so it's not showing like it should be something in that hole there. But I love a single exit, and I think if I get another one, I'll put the Jap speed on the other one and single exit my one.
I like that.
I really like that colour. I want to get these. There's carbon fibre side faces. I don't know actually. I haven't looked into it.
Oh, what we got?
What we got up screen? Is that Pioneer? Yes,
Pioneer.
it is.
I'm
He
not
knows
biased.
what's up. I need this front bumper.
Tilt plate.
The tilt plate. Okay, yes. Wheels. Yes. Manual and shift knob. Yes.
Radio.
Radio situation.
I don't know what
Again,
brand
very
that is.
colour coordinated. I feel like people with yellow cars do really well at colour coordinating
Yeah, they do
everything.
so well.
Like I love it so much. You don't
Sunset.
see yellow cars often, but when it's done, when they do it, they do it really well.
We've got an Instagram tag as well.
Oh, I know this one. I follow this one on
Do you?
TikTok. I follow on TikTok. I love you. Okay, raised wing. Raised wing. Yeah.
I love the race wings.
I do too. I want to get one.
Three-piece? Oh!
But then,
They've patched the aerial hole.
yeah, but I want my aerial. Carbon fibre. Carbon
Is it
fibre.
carbon or is it?
No, that's carbon. Is it?
Maybe.
If not, that's a very convincing wrap. Well done.
Same as Ben, but bronze.
See, I don't know if I like a tri-spoke. I know that's controversial, but I don't know if I like a tri-spoke. Okay, where's the wing?
Oh, one sec. Radio check.
Stereo situation.
Pioneer. Pioneer. No screen, but Pioneer.
You get the approval.
Yes.
Yeah. All the way, yes. All the way, yes. Single exit.
I will say they do look slightly odd without a wing.
They do. I don't know. I don't know how
I
to
drove
feel
mine
about
around
it.
with a wing, without a wing for a while.
I don't know how to feel about it without the wing.
Rev 1, tiny little rear brake.
Nice.
Alright, what we got here?
These are cool.
Sick
These
Momo
parts.
screens. Yeah.
I like that. Okay. Okay.
Looking cool.
Cup holders. Cup holders.
Oh yeah. What radio?
Okay.
Yeah, radio.
Okay. No, look at that carbon fibre surround there.
Oh, it's the one you've got in your
trims.
car basically.
Don't joke.
Oh yeah.
2 hour drive.
We
Jap
respect
speed.
the monster can. We
Jap
respect
speed.
it. Yeah.
Yeah, that's a good monster flavour as well.
Original Jap speed when they were still
That's a
zapping.
solid monster flavour. Well done.
You're only saying that because of your hair. Okay.
Okay, we see you. Red strap race. We like it.
What's your price? Has it got like a little bit of like? Yeah, it's got a little bit of pearl in there. I think. Could be scratched, could be pearl.
No,
could be
VV6ing.
Oh no,
cute.
it is
That's
just
cute.
crumbling. It's fine. It looks good though.
It looks good. These wheels are nice actually. I really like those wheels.
Yeah.
I really like these wheels. Memo steering wheel.
Oh, look at the cone filter. That placement is.
Ooh, that's a good like way to. That's a good place for it.
Yeah. So it's just
To, like,
right by the
reroute
side.
it. Yeah. That's a good place for it. I like that. Radio check. Oh, Sony.
Sony.
Okay. I've got Sony, haven't I?
Yeah, you got Sony
Yeah,
at
I've
the
got
moment.
Sony. We approve.
I like them. I like them a lot.
Yeah, I'm bad
For
with
sale.
that. For sale, you say? Wow, this is sick.
So nice. You know how I
Yeah.
love the black and the sort of like goldy
Yeah, that.
colour scheme.
Yeah. No, that's cool.
So good.
That strap brace is nice.
Yeah. I do love the TRD.
TRD.
I want a TRD bad.
I know.
Because it doesn't fit in mine. In the rear I think I can get away with it at the minute, but in
Not
the front.
Okay,
the shift
okay,
on this.
okay. The colour shift from purple.
I've never seen those before.
No, neither. But I'm vibing with it. I'm vibing with this as well. What? I like that. I need that window tint.
These are cool as anything.
You were there, were you on the driver?
There's so many snorkels I've never seen before.
I know, literally. We're like window shopping.
Oh, like the mix between to just get rid of the orange
Just get rid of the orange, yeah.
and then change to red. Interesting. Oh my god, look how far this side vents
I know.
are as well.
This makes us realise we really do need mesh.
We do need mesh. Like everybody with a kit.
How's mesh?
Right, what radio we got? Pioneer. No. JVC.
Oh,
It's a sad day.
oh no. Hilux.
Truck.
I love a Hilux.
I love an open bed though.
Yes, I prefer an open bed, but Hilux is a whole vibe. If I was getting a truck, I'd go Hilux.
Yeah.
I love this so much. Radio check?
Also,
Radio check.
I don't know, some sort of
OG?
old school.
OG
Some sort of
radio.
old school. Nicer rear.
So clean. It is so clean.
That is very clean. Like paintwork wise.
Paintwork,
red,
that is so clean.
Surely that's been
Like,
resprayed.
I know, I was thinking that because it's all the same colour. It's not faded. It is an auto.
It is auto.
I don't know if
What's
I
on the
drive with
clock?
the steering wheel either.
82k.
Oh.
If it's been looked
okay.
after, it might actually be original paint. Doubtful, but it might be.
Yeah. So we have a torque wrench and gun in the back.
they've got weird.
They've got weird wheel nuts. Otherwise, you might not have your wheels when you come back to your car. Stereo check.
Funky Pioneer setup.
Okay, nice.
We like,
Pioneer
we
though.
like. What is that?
We
surround?
approve.
Look at the boot surround.
I know. I was thinking that.
That's so cool. The TRD on the old original, so it's reupholstered TRD.
There's so many different ways you can like modify these, isn't there? Like so many different ways. I know this car. I love this car. These are new edition. Okay. I'm vibing with these on the top. I want a roof sticker.
Or Toto, or something. I don't know.
What?
The radio. The most important thing we'll talk about in the video.
Oh, okay, okay. I don't know what that radio is, but
No, I don't know.
We'll go with it.
I don't
We'll go with it. Now this is what I want. This is nice, no?
Yeah.
Jump speed radiator.
Feed wrap for management, just for radiator.
No.
I would personally go Mishimoto
Yeah,
for radiator.
yeah. Not like we're sponsored or anything. Got to get the plug in there somewhere. Radio.
Brandless.
Okay, okay. Hey, I had a brandless radiator.
You did have a
radiator.
brandless
Radio.
Radio.
I forgot that cars have rear wipers.
Who needs them? You just delete them anyway. You don't need a rear wiper.
Wait, did we do a rear wiper delete?
Just owning an MR2 is a rear wiper delete. The mod?
It's nice though.
I've never seen a mud flap on an MR2.
No. This isn't an MR2.
It's not
This
an
is a
MR2,
sleeker.
it's a sleeker. That's why.
That's so embarrassing.
That is. Because we've been looking at so many different MR2s.
Like, kind of like your bonnet,
Mine's deeper.
but carbon fiber. How does that make you feel? Carbon fibre goes hard. Yours is just black.
Anything looks better than my bonnet at the moment.
This is kind of sick though, no?
Yeah.
No. Now
This is so cool.
this has had a lot of time put into it and a lot of money put into it. Look.
It looks insane.
That's been engraved, hasn't it? The cherry blossoms on there.
Yeah.
That is beautiful. I really want to get mine done like that. Lego.
I love that.
We love a
I think
Lego.
that's battery box?
Yeah, battery cover, yeah. Yeah, Lego goes hard. These seats go hard.
It's the colour scheme.
It's the colour scheme. And look, their Coke matches as well. Their cans of Coke match.
See? They know what they like.
Sony radio. Hey, I have a Sony, so don't be mean. I have Sony.
I gave you a thing.
Why does that sound like an innuendo?
I gave you a thing.
So, we've been sat in the car for about 20 minutes and there is so much that has just showed up. They've had to start a new like row on the other side. So, we are going to explore. We are going to keep rating your guys' radios.
Radio rating. I forgot we were doing that. It's like the peak of my year.
Peak of the year. Not moving in with me, no.
No, no, I'm joking. I'm joking.
There's so much here now.
It's been violated.
I absolutely have.
Yeah. Gear shift like that.
Someone's also has rusty arches.
They need to just give us the
We
wide
know your
bodies.
secrets.
We know this.
We
the
know
secrets
what's
to
up.
any wide body.
Recaros though, nice. Nice.
The red with red.
I know. No, that hits.
So that's why you get a GT4, because the nicer bumper and the nicer weight.
I know. I know. Oh, Pioneer. We love you.
I was going to check it. We like the
No,
wheels.
I really like them. They are quite big though.
See that they don't have the backseat accidents because they've just removed the back seats. There's some polished up. Oh, they new.
These are some polished up headlights. I'm not sure what headlights you've got going on there, but
They look new. They
mean,
look like
this-
they'd blind you.
this car as a whole is polished, is so clean.
Yeah.
It's so clean.
I only got recently resprayed, so.
No.
They look like
First
that.
time I've ever seen a lifted MR2. Is it lifted or is it stock?
It's on coils of some sort, or it's maybe on lifting
Lift.
springs. I don't
Lifting
know.
springs. That's
It looks.
high.
It looks very tall.
That's more monster trucky than mine.
And that's saying something because yours is a monster truck.
So we've just had the awards. As you can see, there's loads of people behind us. But we are done for the day.
Yeah.
We've actually had a really good day. This was probably the first. Well, this is the first Midlands event that they've done.
Or like first Midlands event where it just hasn't been tied onto another show.
Yeah. But it was actually so good, wasn't it?
Yeah,
It was-
I mean there's
the turnout is so good as well, which I'm really glad
over
about.
100 and something cars.
I know.
Which is really good for the first time event. Mainly MR2s, but we've seen a couple of other
Couple of
cars.
cool ones.
And a couple of other Toyotas made the award
Made the
ceremony.
award ceremony, which is really, really
So
nice.
hopefully we'll see a different range of cars in the next one they do.
Yes. So thank you, Midlands, and we will see you next time.